And welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is to import your footage. Okay. Let me unlink this and delete this stuff. Let me import the audio file. Place it here. So let's play this back again and try to mark where the beat is coming from. Okay, there's one here. New item and click on adjustment layer, click OK, drag the adjustment layer over to this workspace. Let's so let's make the adjustment layer as small as possible. Let's drag it here and search for directional blur effect. Okay, now change the blur radius to 30, so blur length to 30. Okay, let's make this little. Nice 2 bits over there. And the last one over here. Let's play it.